Now, let's talk about the most important concept in this chapter called economic order quantity, EOQ. So, EOQ will help us answer the question how much to order. Um, After you learn EOQ, you will learn how to optimize your order size, the lot size Q, so that you can minimize the total costs. So, the setup is like this. Horizontal is for time and the vertical is for quantity of the inventory item. We assume that we're going to order Q units every time and the demand is constant. So after we receive Q units, we're going to use it little by little until we reach zero. We use up the last unit. At this very moment, we're going to receive the next shipment of the same quantity Q units. So our inventory level go back to Q and start to go down again. Once it's reached zero, we receive the next shipment of Q units. So it will continue on like this forever. We call this a cycle. And the inventory level, the highest inventory level is Q, the lowest inventory level is 0. So the average inventory level, the cycle inventory, is Q divided by 2. We consider only two kinds of costs when we're calculating the EOQ. First is holding costs. This relates to the fact that we have the inventory in our possession, so we have to pay for like such as a warehouse, we have to pay for insurance, we have to pay for shrinkage. So these are all related to how much you have in your possession. So these holding costs are measured by dollar value per unit per period of time you hold it. Usually we use a year as a period of time. On the other hand, there's also ordering costs. Ordering costs is measured by dollar value per order. No matter how much you order every time, you always pay the same amount to place that order, such as you pay the truck driver to deliver the products to you, whether you order 10 units, 1,000 units, it's a one truck load or half truck load, you have to pay the driver the same amount. So whole ordering costs is measured by dollar value per order. So our goal is to minimize the total of holding costs plus ordering costs. We want to minimize the total of these two add up together.